Twitter has finally opened up the Spaces feature so anyone can create their own space. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to use Twitter Spaces, including how to create a Twitter space and how to join someone else's Twitter space. Now let's get started. To host a Twitter space of your own, open the Twitter app and hold down the Create Tweet button, then tap the space icon. Now type in a name for your space, and select a topic you want to talk about if you like. When you're ready, tap Start Now. If you want to schedule your space to start at a later time, tap the schedule icon. Then choose the date and time you want it to go live. Once your space is live, you can invite listeners to join in on the conversation by tapping the people icon. And tap the share icon to share your space with a link, direct message, or post a tweet about it. Tap a listener's profile picture to add them as a speaker. Your space will remain live until you end it. Spaces are public and anyone can join as a listener. There are a few controls you can use while hosting. Tap the microphone icon to mute or unmute yourself. Tap the people icon to manage your guests and speakers, plus invite co-hosts. Tap the heart icon to access emoji reactions. Tap the three dots at the top to access additional settings, including captions. When you're ready to end your space, tap End. To listen to someone else's space, tap the Spaces icon in the bottom menu. Here you can browse popular spaces that are currently live. Tap a space to join in and start listening. You can also use the search bar at the top to search for a specific space you want to listen to. That does it for our guide to Twitter Spaces.